Well, hello, it's Kathy again. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'm doing an unboxing. So before we begin, if you're new to my channel, I'd like to see you stick around and enjoy it. And today's video is going to be all about the BoxyCharm February 2020 base box. And if you're not aware of BoxyCharm, it's a beauty box where they have 3 levels. It's a monthly subscription for 2 of them. And this is the base box for $25. They have the premium for $35 and the Boxy Luxe for $49.99, which is basically $50 a month every quarter. So let's talk about this box that we have here. And let's open it up and let's look. I just opened up the seal because sometimes it takes me forever and a day to open these up. But anyways, here's the presentation. BoxyCharm, really cute. And let's see what we've got in here for this month. And let's see, first off we got here are the Luxe Beauty Complete Sponge Set Bake, Contour, and Detail. Really nice. I love sponges. I really like to use them, especially for cleaning up and all that. And this says, this set of sponges provides a full array of application. Each sponge is built with a different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. And it is $40. Okay, for sponges. Okay, let's see. Some of these prices are a little interesting. Next up I have is Evo Skin Aurora Replenishing Cleansing Hip Wipes. And my little digital card tells me about this. They are biodegradable multitasking wipes, are made of hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis, stevia, seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. And these are $10. Okay. That's kind of interesting. Right now everything is coming with, hemp oil and all this other stuff. So next up I have in my box is this really cute Laura Geller. Let me see. This is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. And this is $25 for this little baby. And look at that color. Wow. That is a color. And this illuminates your natural beauty. This is an innovative hybrid texture, applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color that can be swept all over the face for a lit from within glow. Fresh 3D design captures the look of our favorite Italian desert. So, that's a little swirl. Anyways, this is $26. So let's take a, ooh, look at that. And let me put it on the back of my hand. Wow. Do you see that? That is some color here, and it is called Gilded Honey. So that's pretty good. I like Laura Geller. That is a great brand, and you know what? I don't go wrong with her. Anyways, next up we have is from Ciate London, and this is Everyday Vacay, and this is a coconut setting powder. And let me take it out of the box for you. Let me show you what it looks like in the box. And then I'm ripping the box again. And it has the nice little bow on it, which is that characteristic. And open it up, and it has the sifter in here, which I really like. And this is a really nice size, but if you look at it, it's not all the way to the top. And let's see what this one says. This is $22. Lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicate coconut fragrance to give you back, take you back to the beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus and no flashback. So I like that. Sometimes when you go to pictures and all of a sudden you're looking really beautiful, and then all of a sudden you get that womp womp in the photos, and people kind of look at you going, what on earth happened? So I love that. Then next up I have is Iconic London. Let's see what my little card says about this. This has been out for a while from my understanding. It's Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. So let's take it out of the packaging and look at that. This is made in the PRC, and it has a 12-month shelf life. So let me get my camera back in there. Has a nice mirror, and then let me take off the little protective guy so you don't smear it. Wow, those are some pretty colors. Look at that. Let me put it up there for you. Let me know if you'd like to see this in a video or in a review. I've never used Iconic London palettes, and this is a big one, and it's quite hefty. It's quite thick. It's not the usual little skinny one, but this is a nice, really pretty packaging here. So just want to revisit here. This has, if you total everything up, it's $160 value. So between, this is 62, which it's been around for a while. Then we have the Ciati coconut setting powder, which is 22. Then we have the Laura Geller baked gelato swirl illuminator, which is 26. Then we have the Hep wipes, which are 10. And then we have, right here is the sponges for $40. Wait a second. The sponge set for $40. I'm sorry, but this is a little overpriced for me. But you know what? I like this bag, this box this month. It's not my favorite, but I think they got some good stuff in here, and I think they're turning it around. I think they're listening to us. And you know what? I think this is okay. And you know what? I think I'll review it for another month and see how it does. But you know what? If it's not going to improve, with some other boxes out there, I'd really like to try, and let me know if there's any other ones out there that you'd really like me to review. But anyways, I think this is a nice box. I don't think it's fantastic, but for $25, I think you really get your money worth, and especially the Laura Geller. Oh my gosh. And the Ciati right here, I think these two are worth the price of admission right here. So anyways, I hope you liked this video, and please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. Have a fabulous one. Take care. Bye-bye.